Hi, friends in the OdysseyWare Academy. I wanted to share with you just a quick way that you can do the grading at the end of this marking period. Obviously, Mrs. Stalliards sent us the copy of the document of the template for grading. If you go to File and say Make a Copy, then you can open it up and it can save as your very own. All right, so you're able to edit it. If you are using OdysseyWare, there's a relatively quick way that you are able to import these grades. First thing you want to do is if you come over to Reports, that will open up the reporting for all of these. Now obviously I'm sure you guys are familiar with a lot of these. If you click on Student Progress, that will bring up the fields. All right, so first you want to select the time frame. I always select full year and semester 1 because that's what we're in right now, just to make sure we're not missing anyone. I also select every single kid. Because we haven't had any courses attached to it yet, we don't necessarily need to worry about it. Now when I come here, I'm going to come straight down and I'm only going to select one course at a time because it'll make it a little bit easier for me. Now all I need to do is come here and select English 2, and I'm going to download that as a CSV file. So that's currently downloading right now as we speak. All right. Now what I can do is I can open up my Google Doc that was shared with me. It looks exactly like this. Okay. So now I'm going to be able to toggle back and forth between my Word file or my Excel file and the other one. So the first things first, I want to take a look at the last names, starting with A, and I'm just going to come down and I am going to copy all of these. So if I just simply hit copy, I can bring my file over here, and I just simply hit paste, and that puts all of my kids right here. Now, if I go back and forth between the two, the next thing that's important to me is the percent complete. We look at this, here's the percent that's complete. And again, every course is going to be a little bit different, but I can come right here. Again, I copy, and then I can, again, open up my document, and I can I can paste my grades right here. Brandon was nice enough to go through and set up a formula for us that says B4 divided by 25. So whatever was in B4 divided by 25 is going to give us as a decimal point value. Now, if you happen to need this to be a little bit lower, like if you said your kids, all right, I need you to be at, if it works out that your kids only need to be at 23%, you can easily change that just by erasing it and bringing it right there, and then that will alter this, okay? Now, that only did it to the very first cell, so make sure that you highlight that cell and bring this blue corner all the way down so it adapts to all of them. And that will bring us right here to the decimal point. Now, the next step that I want to do is find the actual grade or the score of what they've earned, which is right here. And I can simply come down, copy, and if I go ahead and copy that, I can open up my document again, and I can simply paste, and boom, voila, now we have our grades. Now the only thing that I would suggest you do is go back through and double check that anything that's over, excuse me, a 1.0, because we all need to be at, they can't exceed 100%, so you can just go in and you can change those just to ones. Right? So anything that is here that is above a 1.0 can simply be changed to a 1, and that is it. And hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you, particularly, well, I mean, this only counts for people that are using the OdysseyWare, but so hopefully that's what you need. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. And other than that, I hope you guys are having an awesome semester, and I will see you soon. All right, thanks. Bye.